Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako na naman po ulit, si Lopez Gonzales. I'm the owner of Bohemia Manila Glass, and as you can see here, this is another video specially made for you para po ma-appreciate ninyo at makita ninyo ang value ng Bohemian Glass. So Bohemian Glass, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ay isang high-end na luxury glass. It's a glass piece na for more than 300 years, it's been the outstanding industry in Czech Republic. And all of my products from Bohemia Manila Glass are all imported, 100% handmade and authentic. So ipapakita ko sa inyo, ang isa sa mga best sellers namin, ito po ang Liqueur and Decanter set namin. And kapag kayo ay nag-order sa Bohemia Manila Glass, it will come mula sa isang simple na box na ito. So ipapakita ko din sa inyo na once you open the box, you will be seeing two information cards. So the first one is written in Japanese dahil ang supplier po namin ay galing po ng Japan. We've been doing this for more than 30 years and it's the first time we're bringing this Pilipinas. So we're the only seller of Bohemian Glass in the country. So the next card you will see once you open the box is ang information card po mula po sa Egerman brand. So ito po yung aming manufacturer. So it says here actually at the back, you have become the possessor of one of our products from Egerman Company. So since 1860s po, ang ating kumpanya, they have been making a lot of glass pieces, especially in Europe. So, tingnan natin, ano yung ma-expect natin from a Liqueur and Decanter set. So, let me show to you yung dalawa po na lalagyan. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo yung ang beauty ng kanyang intricate designs. There you go. So hopefully you can see, ito po ay textured na high enamel na ginagamit nila na technique. So it's textured, so it's not flat if you look at the side right there. Okay? So yan po yung beauty ng craftsmanship. So each piece is unique by itself. It's not made by any machine. So lahat yan, nakita nyo naman siguro yung iba pang videos namin, like this one. So very intricate design. Alright? Okay. So, ang size nito, it's around 2.36 inches, yung kanyang height, and volume niya around 40 milliliters. However, on the larger piece, ito po yung decanter natin, around 400 milliliters po yung kanyang volume. So, yung height naman nito around 9.84 inches yung height niya. So, papakita ko sa inyo, ito yung kanyang top part, of course. This is Bohemian Glass. Definitely. And then, yung actual na decanter naman, papakita ko yung design. Hopefully you can see this is of course the logo, Egerman brand. And as you can see here, okay, ito yung flower design niya. Each intricately created and masterfully na ginawa ng ating mga craftsmen sa Novi Bor in the Czech Republic. Ayan. So, talagang very luxurious, very beautiful, if I may say so. So, ayan po. Hopefully, mas na-appreciate ninyo ang ating produkto. Perfect ito sa mga special occasions. Some of our customers and clients, what they do is, they make this as a decorative piece. So, merong parang nakalagay sa isang glass na lalagyan for others. For others naman, talagang ginagamit for special occasions. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Ako po si Lopez Gonzales ng Bohemia Manila Glass saying thank you so much and stay classy. Paalam po. Bye-bye. Peace.